Well, good morning, everybody. It's getting light out here. The sun hadn't broke over the mountain yet, but it's time to be feeding. So we're going to come out here and see what's going on. It got down to 22 degrees. And looky there. Can you believe that? This is a new thing. The goats in the the goats in the chicken pen. So we'll have to go over here and see what's going on with all of that nonsense. Come. Edo, you come in too, huh? Well, looky there. I guess it was dark last night, and Cheese got. I guess Cheese must have slept in the chicken coop last night. Come on, get your head out of there. Come on. Huh. Well, that's a first. That is a first. Water's all frozen. Pretty hard. So we'll go ahead and start another video up here, and we'll be right back with you. Hey y'all, thank you very, very much for visiting us at Our Little Texas Ranch. See y'all soon.